Hey guys, what's going on? It's Checks, and today is our first review of the CutS butterfly knife. This is going to be an unboxing and review. I have never opened this box or taken out of the knife. So let's get right into it. So when we open the box, it's a really nice design, better than their old design. We have, I guess, a cleaning cloth, a nice ad. So here's the knife itself, inside some plastic wrap. It's really heavy. I did not expect it to be this heavy. Here's a knife. And underneath the foam you get the carrying case for the butterfly knife. It also has their logo on it. It's really well built. Here's the knife itself. The latch. And this thing is way bigger than I expected. Like a lot bigger. I don't know any tricks currently, so sorry about that. I might show it on later in the video after I play with it off camera, but this thing is actually super long. Let me give you a size comparison. Here's my iPhone 6s compared to the CutS butterfly knife. It's practically double the size of my iPhone, which is insane. I never knew this butterfly knife was so long. Closing it. It fits in the carrying case very tight, so I wouldn't be scared if it could fall out. Let's take out the cleaning cloth to see how big it is. And wow, okay. The cleaning cloth is actually really like silk smooth and actually pretty big. So guys, I'll be back with you once I play around with this thing, and I'll show you some B-roll clips right now. Hey guys, what's going on? I'm back, and after a few hours of learning how to use a butterfly knife and learning new tricks, I'm finally back to give you my opinion on this knife. So this knife is very heavy actually. I realized that after I started flipping that it takes quite a bit of force to get it flipped. Also on the blade itself, the paint job is kind of scratched up. Not really scratched up, a few scratches here and there. That's due to the fact that the handle keeps making contact with the blade and that causes the scratches, but CutS knows about this problem and is trying to fix it in their models. Also, the grips, I expected them to be rubber, but actually they're hard plastic, which isn't a big thing because rubber would make your grip too strong and you can't do any tricks with it if it's rubber. So overall, I really love this knife. It's really cool if you play CSGO because this represents the slaughter skin. And CutS makes multiple CSGO butterfly knife skins, some of which that do not represent in-game skins but still look cool even if it's not in the game though. So if you guys want to check them out, I'll put all their links down below, their Twitter, their website, their Amazon page. And just a disclaimer, I received this item 50% off to do this review. I also did an Amazon review if you want to check that out. I put it down below. If you guys enjoyed this video, I appreciate it if you leave a like and subscribe, and I'll show you some clips of the tricks I learned. Thanks and goodbye.